สรุปคือที่3ถึงที่6ครับได้เปลี่ยนออกก็เหมือนของจริงครับลุยมีมาดีใจใหญ่อันนี้ต้องพูดเบาๆภรรยาหลับแล้วครับผมอยู่ข้าง
Well, the season may be well and truly over in the lower tiers, but for these teams, there is no respite at all as they are thrust into the promotion playoffs with virtually no rest at all. So many vital games in such a very small space of time. All of this to be named the rightful claimant of the one last invite to the sacred territory of top-flight football. The stakes rarely get bigger than this. We have terrific scenes in front of us at the Estadio do Dragão, one of the biggest venues in Portugal. Well, these playoffs have provided us with so much drama down the years. What to expect this time round?
Well, nothing other than a full-blooded encounter can be expected. It's almost impossible to separate these teams in terms of attitude and application. We've seen both produce total commitment at the end of the regular season, so whoever can find that extra touch of quality may just be enough to clinch the big prize.
Things have got underway here pretty promptly. So, Jim, who would you identify as the key man in this fixture?
Well, this guy Ndidi is someone who has the potential now to start dominating games, and I'm sure in the first 20 minutes or so he'll be...
Shoots! Oh, that's a fine save!
Oh, that's a sparkling save. Absolutely sparkling. His reflexes were ultra sharp.
And he just whacks it away. He's had a shot!
Yeah, that's top defending and preventing him turning, which can open up many possibilities.
Goes for goal! And he comes up trumps again.
Oh, that's a stunning save. I mean, his reflexes were incredible then. That's as good a save as you'll see.
Knocks it away. Ampadu. Is there any support? He might not need it. In comes the cross. And he's there to clear it. Needed a better pass there. Lobs it in gently. He's through the middle. The ball's come loose and the chase is on. Strong challenge, but well within the laws. Great strength, too strong for his opponent. Oh, no, that's not the ball he wanted.
Ndidi.
Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. James! James! It is a fantastic goal! Oh, it really is a finish of the highest order!
โดนเอเดนทีมไปหน่อย
Terrific audacity, just gorgeous skill.
Oh, look, the keeper didn't know whether he was coming or going in the end, and he just got lost.
Leeds take the lead, 1-0.
Well, just listen to the reaction. I think you can hear the approval from the support all around the stadium.
Here it comes. Can't get the better of his opposite number. I have to say, that was an exemplary tackle. Stopped him dead in his tracks. Forward it goes. Battles to win it back. Oh, that's a waste. Cresswell. James. Oh, more than happy to take the muscular approach. James. He's been bundled over, that is a foul. Justin gets his final warning.
Yeah, and he's just entered the last chance saloon. One wrong move now, and he's in trouble.
Leeds are very keen on the aerial route.
Look, if you're good at it and instructed to carry on doing it, then you find a way of making it work, and they are.
Cresswell. Ndidi did well to step in there. That was more than necessary. And the finish! Just brushed off the ball there. Justin. He's got through. Oh, well defended. That had to be done. Kudus has a hit! There's the whistle for half-time. So there you have it, a close-fought half of football, one that still had its moments, and ultimately produced just one goal.
ไม่ต่อ
Came up to now.
Well, it hasn't exactly got the plan so far, but there's no need to panic. There's still plenty of time to get back into this. As always, an early goal would help swing things back in their favour.
We're promptly into the second 45 minutes.
Leicester don't need to press the panic button just yet. They may have to tweak their setup.
Yeah, he's fouled him there.
Well, that's the first attempt, Peter, we've seen at one of those raking passes just to spread the play.
Shackleton. Ndidi. Kudus. Justin. Justin has it out wide and in space. Cresswell. He gets past his man. Looks to clip it forward. Away from immediate danger. Ball's gone out of play. Kudus. Well, he's certainly caught him there. It's a free kick. This an opportunity to pull level. Justin with a rip. Justin! Decent hit from there. VARDY, he's off, has a hit! He scored! An act of charity gratefully received. And that has added a whole new complexion to the game.
Oh, look, Peter, there's a great ebb and flow to this clash, and it's above all expectations for me.
Shapes to shoot! Going for goal! Whistle's gone, that's a foul.
Well, it was deliberate, it was cynical, and you have to understand the frustration of being denied a clear opportunity, but it had to be done.
He's trying the shot.
Not the worst effort, Peter. It just needed a bit more fine-tuning.
Kudus. And Cisse. That'll be a throw. Now some movement on the bench, and we are going to see a change. Akun. Quick glance at goal. Oh, he's going to be pulled back for that one.
Well, I think the alternative was to stand there and do nothing while he tried to score. And obviously, he's not going to allow that, Peter, is he? Yeah, it would seem a little too far out, and this will probably be a dink far post.
Leicester's free kick then. He's gone for it! And that has been clubbed away. It's gone out for a throw-in. Cut out in the nick of time. Pass needed to be better than that, and he knows it. Rodon. Leeds have a free kick. The referee has resisted the temptation to go to his pocket. It's just a stern lecture. Massive leap! And that's a real chance missed.
It's a very watchable game, isn't it? Any goal from here could well be the winner.
Rodon tries to get it forward quickly. He's looked long this time. Oh, good ball. A reprieve, albeit perhaps momentary. Leeds are making a change now.
Well, he's worked so hard for his side, as you would expect, but you couldn't help notice that he was starting to labour a bit, so it's no surprise.
And it's VARDY. Rodon is there to heave it away. Shackleton plays it forward. It's a loose ball. The ball. Oh, real danger here. James. There are a few waiting for it.
Look, this can still go either way. It might be flowing one way, but there's still time for some ebb.
Kudus done very well to intervene. That's a foul, no two ways about it.
Well, both sides might have to settle for a draw here, although there's still a chance for one last flick.
Little doubt, that is a foul. And the referee has shown him a yellow card. Dewsbury Hall. Akun. Leicester claiming a corner, and the referee concurs. And it's been taken short. That intervention was very necessary. James drives it forward.
Well, what we're witnessing now just goes against the grain. They're not going to get back into the game like this.
He's got away. Hoists it forward. James. And help's available out wide. Now it's James. A towering header. The whistle has gone and it is all over. And the first leg ends all square. To summarise what we've seen today then, Jim.
Well, neither side could get over the line here. Perhaps one team might be happier, but at the final reckoning, it's honours even and no complaints.
So that's that's it for today. Thank you, Jim, and good afternoon.